Mr. Calhoun, you've been charged with evading detention, assault, bodily injury, and you have a warrant out for your arrest for murder.
On May 16, 2016, Metro officers were investigating a possible theft incident at 2100 North Main. The theft incident had developed into a disturbance as a witness to the theft was about to be assaulted by a group of individuals. Officers were trying to get control of the situation and get compliance from the witnesses when Che Calhoun approached one of the witnesses and punched him multiple times in the face. The officer then attempted to arrest Calhoun for the assault that he had witnessed, and Calhoun pulled away from the officer. The officer then deployed his taser in an attempt to get control of Calhoun, and Calhoun eventually fell to the ground. However, he was able to get up and run away and avoid apprehension from the officer. The officer was able to find a backpack left at the scene and found an identification for Che Calhoun inside and matched the photograph on the identification with the person who he had witnessed assault the individual at the scene. The next day, on May 17th of 2016, Joshua Flores was walking home from school. He's 11 years old. As he was walking, a neighbor saw him pass Che Calhoun on the sidewalk. At the moment where the two passed, the neighbor saw struggling. He went outside to investigate and saw the individual who was struggling with the boy flee down the street on foot. Another witness was inside his residence and heard a child screaming outside. He ran outside in time to see the complainant collapsing and also saw that the complainant had been stabbed. This witness pursued the suspect in his vehicle, but lost him down the road. Another witness observed an individual coming down the sidewalk and pass him just a few feet away. All of these witnesses gave descriptions of the individual to police officers. Metro PD had been flagged down on an assault the previous day where a black male had attacked a complainant in the 2100 block of North Main. That individual was a suspect because of the violence of the situation and the similarities and the close proximity of the two locations. They had the ID that was found in the backpack of the individual that had committed the assault on May 16th. They placed that ID in a photo array and showed it to the third neighbor, the one who saw the closest look at the defendant who passed him, and that individual positively identified the defendant as the male that he saw run past him on Paschal Street.
Probable cause for your arrest on the evading and on the assault. Bonds are set at $5,000 on each of those cases. The warrant, probable cause, has already been found on. That bond is going to be set at no bond. You'll be going to the 248th District Court, Judge Catherine Cavness. On the murder charge, you'll be going to County Court Bond Number 10, Judge Dan Spute, on the evading and the assault charge. Are you requesting the court to appoint you a lawyer, or are you going to hire your own lawyer? Thank you, Mr. Calhoun. You can go with the deputies. Nakenya Grigsby.